Hello, my name's Nick with ELC. We are at InfoComm 2026. Now, let me have a brief introduction of our movable smart screen. The size ranges from 21.5, 24, and 32. As you can see, it can go up and down, and it is battery powered. The battery is in the base, so you can use it without charging for like 6 to 8 hours. And it has an external camera connected with USB, and it is rotatable. This is designed for entertainment. You can do social medias on this. Also, you can watch some videos like cuisine when you are cooking in the kitchen. Yeah. And for more information, you can come to our website www.elclcd.com. Thank you very much.